Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to enable God mode on your PC. Windows 10 is the most popular desktop operating system in the world, and while Windows 11 is nipping at its heels, most of us will still be running Microsoft's current OS for the foreseeable future. And even if you use it every day, there's always more to learn. Maybe you don't consider yourself a power user, or perhaps you've made the leap from macOS to Windows. Whatever your comfort level, these tips will help you get more out of your Windows 10 experience. Some of these tricks originated from an older generation of Windows, while others are new to this iteration. His may be a little too niche for most users, but if you are a power user or IT professional who wants access to all of Windows control panels from one folder, God mode is for you. Here's how you can do it. Right-click on the desktop and select New, then Folder. Rename the new folder with this bit of code you will find in the description. The icon of the folder should now be changed into a master control panel. If the icon of the folder did not change, then there is somewhere you made a mistake. Go back and repeat the same process again. To enter God mode, or the Windows Master Control Panel shortcut, as it is officially called, simply double-click the folder and go nuts. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.